Hello guys and welcome back to the video series. In today's episode we'll be continuing where we left off on episode 2. We're going to clean the interior of the van. We're going to do some sort of a deep cleaning. However, how much this is, I don't think it's possible to do a deep cleaning, because if we need to do a deep cleaning we need to throw the thing away, but yeah. I'll vacuum everything, I'll clean all the surfaces, I'll assess the overall condition and where I will need to repair, patch some faults up, and so on. You will see me vacuum cleaning the bigger part of the video, but trust me, this is only half of it. I was not able to get everything out on this go, and I have to do another one, but most probably I have to take it to a car wash where they can use some professional tools and equipment and clean everything out. Enjoy.
cleaning, guys. I think everything is done. Let me show you. So yeah, it's not going to get any better than that, but at least there's no grime, there's no dirt, everything is clean off. I have cleaned the entire floor so I can start repairing the rust spots and painting them. I'll show you with what in a moment. Here's everything, how it turned up. And I'll be fixing the rust spots with this type of paint, steel guard. It says that you can apply it directly to rust. We'll see what happens. And I'm going to fill up some holes with polyurethane, I think that's how it's called. We'll see how that goes. Waiting for the buses to fix all the mechanical issues. I'll be taking them to the mechanical shop next week. We need to fix the brakes. Only the front one works. The back drum brakes are not working. We need to fix the turbo. I have a leaking turbo, and so the bus is making no power at all. Other than that, we need to fix the speedometer. It's not showing anything because most probably the wheel cap is broken, and there's on the wheel cap you attach the wire for the speedometer, and that's broken. What other thing we need to do? We need to fix up the exhaust because it's currently dangling on a cord. Other than that, we're going to do full service, which includes belts, water pump, filters, and oil, because I don't think the oil was changed recently, maybe 5 years ago or something, I don't know. So we'll have to do that. And after I get the bus from the mechanical shop, the next thing to follow is to start to fix the outside rust, which is I showed you in the first video. There's quite a lot, but it's nothing that can be fixed or saved, so we're going to do that. This is it for this episode of the van build. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.